All right, so in just 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes, I'll be walking you through how I create my thumbnail just by visiting canva.com. All right, like you can see, I'm currently on canva.com, so you can quickly type it on your browser canva.com and it will bring you to this portal or home screen. So you can choose to, like the previous video, we can actually choose to create from YouTube thumbnails, and you can see projects that I've done in the past. These are projects that I've done. But if you choose to create yours from scratch, you want to do something with your hands, it is very simple. Without wasting much time, you just click on customize size. So once you click on customize size, you can give it a width of 1280, then a height of 720. Then once you click on create design, and you click on create design, it's pin up a blank canvas for you. So the next thing is you get a screenshot of a video or picture you want to use. I already uploaded some pictures, so I'll get to look for it. For instance, you created a video and you want to take screenshot of it, so you can use it for the background. So I already uploaded a video. I downloaded this video from Google, so I just uploaded it and I'll resize it. You just resize your picture to the full screen. So I'll resize it. So after resizing it, I like my text to be by the left side. So you can choose to still drag this out so that it can create space for the left hand side, the left side. So having done this, the next thing is just to add your text. So we just go to text. You just click on text and header text. You can type in what you want to. For instance, let's say power apps. So this is power apps. So you can choose to change the color of your text. We can make it, you can change the color here. Sorry, let me over. Text color, this is the text color. So let's take it out and you can see the color has changed. So you can click on it and you can choose to drag it to the top. Let's say you want to drag it here. If you want to increase the size, you click on increase font size. You can increase it. If you want to make it bold, you can make it less bold. Then if you want to align it to the, you can click on this, it will align. So I want to increase the size. So this is it. So you add your text. If you want to reduce it, you reduce it. You can reduce it. So if you want to change the color, you can change it to suit what you want. So if you want to change the color, just like this, you go to text color. Let's use the yeast now. You can see the color. Then all right. So the next thing is we can still go to text. If you want to add a subtext, you can add it and say power apps. Then the text should be, let's say, for dummies. Assuming this is what we want, you can change the text. You can increase the size if you want to increase the size. You can change the text color if you want to. So let's change the text color. All right, you can see. So having changed the text color, you can add different things that you want to. If you want to add a drop shadow, you click on it and you can go to effects. You can select the type you want, shadow. You can increase the direction. You can increase the transparency. If you want the lift, you can click on this. You can see how it is looking. So once you're done, the next thing is just to share. Once you click on the share, you can click on now download, and you're good. So this is how I managed to create my thumbnail. So once I do like this, so you can see our thumbnail. So thank you very much. So you can customize it to suit whatsoever you want to do. So with this idea, I believe you can do more than just this. So if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.